Volvo has once again refined its flagship SUV, revealing the 2025 XC90 with substantial upgrades in technology, performance and safety. This new model, particularly in its plug-in hybrid PHEV form, demonstrates the Swedish automaker's commitment to sustainability while preserving the luxury and safety features that have made the XC90 a household name. The 2025 XC90 PHEV brings improved hybrid performance to the table, offering an electric-only range of over 70 kilometers under the WLTP testing cycle. In real-world conditions, Volvo claims that around 48% of all driving in its plug-in hybrids is done on electric power alone, highlighting the efficiency gains possible for urban users. Beyond its electric capabilities, the XC90 is equipped with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine that works in tandem with the electric motor. Combined, the all-wheel drive system delivers a formidable 340 kilowatts and 709 newton-meters of torque, which is more than enough to handle a variety of driving scenarios, from urban commuting to long-distance highway driving. This powerful setup enables the XC90 to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just under 5.5 seconds, impressive for a vehicle of its size and class. One of the XC90's standout features is its ability to perform on extended journeys. When the electric range is depleted, the petrol engine takes over, offering more than 800 kilometers of range from a full fuel tank. With fuel consumption figures around 8.6 liters per 100 kilometers, once the electric charge is used up, the XC90 offers an excellent balance between economy and practicality. Visually, the 2025 XC90 hasn't undergone radical changes, but it carries subtle updates that underscore Volvo's transition towards electrification. The front grille has been streamlined for improved aerodynamics, and the vehicle's overall silhouette reflects a modern, sleek design in line with Volvo's fully electric EX90.